Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Google Play Balance as mobile recharge. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you need to do is simply need to go ahead and go to your Google Play. You can use it from your phone, open it up, go to your profile, go to payments and subscriptions, so you can check out how much balance you have at the budget and order history. You can just take it out from your card. Now what you need to do is you cannot directly recharge your mobile from Google Play Balance because it does not do the top up service or does not have a way of transferring the money to phone pay or bank balance type of stuff. But you can definitely get a app here in game play or here in Google Play Store for the utility payments, where you can go ahead recharge your money, and then you can transfer the money to your bank app, and then you can use bank account, and then you can use that money for the top up. Or you can simply go ahead get yourself a gift card from the Google Play Balance, and then you can redeem that gift card for the mobile charge payment. So those are the options available for Google Play, and that's it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.